Selling coaching services online can feel like a huge challenge, but with the right tools, it's much easier than you might think. In this quick LeadPages tutorial, I'll show you how to leverage this platform to sell your coaching services, even if you're just getting started. Stick around till the end, because I've got some game changing tips and alternatives to help you boost your sales. First things first, when you're selling coaching services, you need to create landing pages that convert. LeadPages makes this process simple. You don't need to be a web designer to build an effective landing page that showcases your coaching packages, testimonials, and any special offers. The key here is the drag and drop editor, which allows you to design a custom page in just minutes. It's great for someone who doesn't want to spend hours learning design tools. Next, you'll want to make sure your landing page is optimized for lead generation. LeadPages offers built-in forms that let you collect important details from potential clients, like their name, email, and phone number. This information helps you nurture relationships with future customers, which is critical in the coaching business. Integrating these forms with your CRM or email marketing system is seamless, ensuring no lead slips through the cracks. The third thing to consider is how to drive traffic to your landing pages. LeadPages lets you connect your pages to paid ads, social media campaigns, and even webinars. This makes it easy to build targeted traffic streams that funnel directly into your coaching services. Whether you're running Facebook ads or Google ads, you can easily track conversions and adjust campaigns for optimal results. Another essential feature is A/B testing. LeadPages allows you to test multiple versions of your landing pages to see which one resonates best with your audience. This is huge, as it lets you continually optimize your sales process. With the right tweaks, you can increase your conversion rate and get more leads with the same amount of traffic. Now, you might be wondering, is LeadPages really the best platform for selling coaching services? While it's a solid option, there are other tools worth considering that can be better suited to your specific needs. Some alternatives offer deeper integrations with CRM systems, more flexible design options, and unique features like automated follow-up sequences. But here's where I'll make things interesting. Through the link in the description, you'll get an exclusive extended free trial of LeadPages. And while LeadPages is a great option, I'll also share a few alternatives that might be a better fit for your goals, and they come with free trials too. Stick around for those. To wrap up, LeadPages can definitely help you sell your coaching services by creating professional-looking landing pages, optimizing lead collection, and driving traffic with ease. But for those looking for more advanced features or integrations, I've got some fantastic alternatives that can give you even better results. Don't forget to check out the link in the description to grab your exclusive free trial and explore these alternatives for yourself.